Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make watermelon jelly fruit bowls, then so can you. First, of course, we have to start with the watermelon. We chose a medium-sized one. Start by cutting the top off. Better hold the watermelon, we put ours inside a flat bottom bowl so that it wouldn't roll all over the counter. Start removing the watermelon from the rind. If you want to include some of the watermelon in your final product, make sure you keep some of the pieces and set them aside to add back to the watermelon later. You'll also need several large Tupperware containers or a large bowl to keep the rest of the watermelon. Eventually, you'll have hollowed out the watermelon like this. Next, choose what other fruit you'd like to add to your fruit bowls. We chose to use green grapes and red grapes, both of which you have to pull off the vine and wash in a coriander. We also chose to use blackberries and strawberries. Remove the tops and cores from your strawberries and cut them into a little bit smaller pieces. So for our watermelons, we're going to be adding some of the watermelon back in, the blackberries, the strawberries, and 2 different colors of grapes. The trick is to just make sure you have enough fruit to be able to fill the watermelon completely. Then, in a large bowl, add your fruit all together. After you've dumped all the fruit into the bowl, stir them with a large spoon. When your fruit is thoroughly mixed, you'll be able to start adding them into the hollowed out watermelon. Now let's take a look at the Jell-O. We use 3 packages of gelatin and 1 package of strawberry Jell-O. If you want your Jell-O to be clear, you can omit the Jell-O package and just use 4 packages of gelatin and add in some sugar. When we mixed our Jell-O and gelatin, we added it all to 4.5 cups of water. Though this water to gelatin ratio absolutely worked, we did find that the Jell-O was a little bit soft, and we recommend that you probably double the ratio to 8 packages of gelatin to 4.5 cups of water. With your liquid Jell-O prepared, use a small scoop to fill the watermelon. You'll need to put your watermelon in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours, but we left ours in overnight. Word of the wise, try to avoid fruits that will prevent your Jell-O from setting, including kiwi, bananas, and pineapple. Also, do not cover your watermelon with saran wrap or plastic wrap. The plastic wrap will prevent a lot of the moisture from leaving the Jell-O and it won't set, so when you slice it in half, you'll just get a bunch of liquid running out. So here we are back the next day with our fully set watermelon. You can grab a large knife and cut it in half. And there you have it! Watermelon jelly fruit bowls. As mentioned before, if you want a firmer melon, you should probably double the amount of gelatin that we used, and use 8 packages for 4 cups of water. Regardless of if you want firm or soft jelly, these are super delicious using the flavoring from the 1 Jell-O package, and they're a super refreshing treat for all your summer gatherings. If this looks like something you'd like to try, consider giving those subscription and like buttons a click. Let us know down in the comments if you ever give it a shot, and as always, thank you so much for watching.